Hi everyone, welcome back to the Tech Vibe. Have you ever turned on your TCL Roku TV, only to see it stuck on the logo screen forever? Don't worry, you're not alone. In this video, I'll show you step-by-step solutions to fix the TCL Roku TV stuck on logo issue, so you can get back to watching your favorite shows. Step 1. Power cycle your TV. The first and simplest fix is performing a power cycle. Unplug your TCL Roku TV from the power outlet. Wait at least 60 seconds. Press and hold the power button on the TV for 15 to 20 seconds, not the remote. Plug the TV back in and turn it on. Many times, this resets the system and clears minor glitches causing the stuck logo. Step 2. Check remote and power source. Sometimes the issue isn't the TV itself, but a weak power supply or remote glitch. Make sure your power cable is firmly connected. Try plugging your TV directly into a wall socket instead of an extension. Replace the remote's batteries and try restarting again. Step 3. Factory reset using TV buttons. If the logo loop continues, try a hardware reset. Locate the reset button at the back or side of your TCL Roku TV. Use a pin or paperclip to press and hold it for about 20 seconds until the TV restarts. This will reset your TV to factory settings, removing all apps and accounts, but it often resolves software corruption issues. Step 4. Update or reinstall firmware. Advanced fix. If your TV still won't move past the logo, you may need to reinstall or update the firmware using a USB. Visit the official Roku website on your computer and download the latest firmware for your TV model. Copy the firmware file to a USB drive. Insert the USB into your TCL Roku TV, then follow the on-screen recovery process. This process takes a bit of time, but can bring your TV back to life. Step 5. Seek professional help. If none of these steps work, the issue might be hardware-related, such as a faulty motherboard or internal component. In that case, contacting TCL customer support or a certified technician is your best option. That's it. These steps usually fix the stuck-on logo issue on TCL Roku TVs. If this video helped, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more easy tech fixes. Drop a comment below if you have any questions.